Hey everyone, it's Miranda from Slashed Beauty. Today I'm partnering with CoverGirl to talk about one of my favorite collections from the brand that I think deserves a little more love, the Clean Matte line. I've personally been using the Clean Matte line myself for about 2.5 years now. It's one of the only matte formulas that really hits all the boxes for me. Good coverage, lightweight, non-drying. It's perfect for no makeup days or warm weather. I live in the desert where it tends to get really hot in the summer, but it's also very dry. So it's really important for me to have a matte formula that not only mattifies and keeps oil at bay, but doesn't make the rest of my face feel super tight and dry and dehydrated. The Clean Matte formula is non-acnegenic, so it lets your skin breathe and shouldn't clog your pores. So this means that it's less likely to cause acne breakouts or pimples, which is something that I'm always worried about when testing out new products. I'm gonna start right off the bat by talking about my favorite product from the collection, the Clean Matte BB Cream for oily skin. This is hands down my favorite BB cream at the drugstore because not only does it really give you a second skin finish, it's so lightweight you can barely feel that it's there, but it gives me amazing coverage. The formula contains a powder system with micro correctors that react to sweat and absorb oil over time, and also diffuses light to create the matte finish and cover blemishes and visible pores. I have acne and hyperpigmentation, so I usually don't have the luxury of wearing lightweight makeup when I want to have an even base, but this was the first product that gave me just that. I went from a BB cream hater to a lover with this product. It changed the game for me. Not only does it have great coverage for my problem areas, but it also lasts all day on my combo skin. I just cannot say enough good things about this BB cream. It basically performs like a foundation, but with the texture and lightweight feel of a BB cream. It's perfect for when I want a more natural look or when I just want a little bit of complexion correction. It's one of my go-tos for spring and summer days, last minute plans, or just snapping a quick Instagram pic. When I feel like I want a little bit more coverage or I'm going for more of a full face glam makeup, I reach for the Clean Matte Liquid Foundation. This one's a little bit heavier than the BB cream, but it's still very flexible and comfortable on the skin. Especially when the weather's warmer, which is when I'm more prone to getting shiny, this foundation is perfect for when I want to do more of a full glam look without the feeling of full coverage makeup. I've brought the Clean Matte Liquid Foundation with me on vacation to humid climates and it's never done me wrong. It lasts for hours without fading or breaking up while keeping shine at bay. Now let's talk about the Clean Matte Concealer. I love this stuff. I've been layering this on top of blemishes just for a little bit of extra coverage. Even though both the BB cream and foundation give me so much coverage on their own, this is great for those hard to cover stubborn spots. This concealer blends in seamlessly with both the BB cream and liquid foundation, so there's never any splotchiness that would call attention to blemishes that you use this to cover. Combined with either the BB cream or liquid foundation, layering this concealer will definitely enhance the lasting power of the coverage. And of course you can use it to brighten up the under eye area or carve out your eyebrows. Now with the Clean Matte BB cream and the Clean Matte Liquid Foundation, I don't usually need to set my makeup, but the Clean Matte Pressed Powder is always with me because it's my on-the-go go-to compact. I keep it in my purse to blot throughout the day and it works great on all foundation formulas to mattify your makeup and reduce shine. The best part is it does not leave you with a cakey or dry appearance. Today I use the Clean Matte BB Cream and Clean Matte Concealer and I love the way my skin looks, even, smooth, and natural. These products pair really well with everyday looks like a classic doing liner and glossy lip. This has been one of my favorite go-to looks that I've been wearing recently and it only takes me about 10 minutes to do. The best part about the CoverGirl Clean Matte collection, as someone with combo skin, these products help me keep shine under control without making the more dry areas of my face feel miserable. Everything looks and feels balanced when I wear these, which is very rare for my picky skin. I love reaching for the CoverGirl Clean Matte line when I'm going for that natural, even canvas that's comfortable and shine-free. You can find the Clean Matte line on CoverGirl.com and don't forget to check out the links in the description to see more from me. Of course, don't forget to subscribe to the CoverGirl YouTube channel and hit thumbs up if you want to see more videos like these here from your favorite creators. Bye!